Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is H. Nayak. In last class, I gave the video on how to calculate the area of a triangle by using Heron's formula. And in this video, I am going to show that how to derive the formula of the surface area of the cuboid and cube. Let us see. And in some children, they have a fear in math, especially in math, how to remember the formulas and all. If you know the derivation of a formula or how the formula it will come, if you know the procedure, you can easily remember the final expression of the formula and you can apply in a problems also. In some applications problem is there, in that application problem you can easily apply. But one thing you should remember, how the formula it will come. If you know that, you can easily remember the formula. Now I consider the surface area of the cuboid. The cuboid means it is a 3D geometrical figure. The 3D geometrical figure is a solid shape of an object and it has 6 faces. It has 6 faces. That faces contains a rectangular. See, the 6 faces. One is top, bottom, front, back, and the 2 sides faces. So total 6 faces are there here. Means if you want the surface area of the whole cuboid, you should find the sum of the area of the 6 faces. If you want the surface area of the whole cuboid, you should find the sum of the area of the individual faces. Let us consider 3 parameters. The first parameter is length, L. It is denoted by letter L and the breadth B and height B H be the height. Now I told you the surface area. If you want the surface area means you should calculate the area of the 6 faces of the rectangular. And I wrote a mathematically here, surface area equal to area of the ABCD means top and area of the GHFE. See GHF means bottom area. Then area of the CBHF. Where is CBHF here? Yes, CBHF this side. And area of the CDEF. C and DEF means back. Then again area of ABHG. So area of ABHG ABHG and the area of CDEF. Area of CDEF. Now let us see. I consider the first one now, area of ABCD. ABCD. It is a rectangular. And we know that the area of rectangle is length into breadth. So we can easily substitute length into breadth. Now I consider the area of GHFE. GHFE. Again it is a rectangle and L be the length, B be the breadth. Therefore area is L into B. Now area of CBHF. Where is the CBHF now? CBH and F. This side. So here H into B, the 2 parameters are there. You should multiply, you get the area of CBHF. So I multiply here B into H. Now this face here. The area of ADEG. Area of ADEG. Again I should multiply H into B. Now area of CDEF. Area of C, D, again E and F means back. Here length into H. Here H is act as a B here, length into H. Now see the front face now. Area of ABGH. ABGH. Again here L into H. You should multiply, you get the area. Now see here LB plus LB, 2LB. BH plus BH, 2BH. HL plus HL, 2HL, where 2 is a common, take outside, write as it is LB plus BH plus HL and the unit of area is always square units. Either the given parameters are in centimeters or meters or millimeters. It depends on. So you should always express in terms of the square units. But one thing you have to remember, all the parameters should be in only one unit. So finally you got the one result now. Yes, what is that result? The surface area of a cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL in terms of square units. So you should remember this formula. If you remember this formula, you can calculate the surface area of the cuboid. I hope you understood this formula. Now I am going to the second point now, lateral surface area. Here the lateral surface area means just you should ignore the top and bottom area. So you should ignore the top and bottom rectangular faces and you should only consider the four walls. 1, 2, 3, 4 means back, front and to this sides. Just you should ignore the top and bottom rectangular faces. And you should follow the same procedure here. No need to change anything. Now the lateral surface area equal to area of CBHF. I already shown that CBHF. Then again area of ADEG. Then the area of front and back. The area of AB and G. And the back area of CDEF. Now we should substitute the same parameters now. H into B plus H into B, H into L, H into L. Now here the H is a common in all the sides, all the cases. H into B plus L plus L. Here I will write like this here now. H into 2B plus 2L means 2 times of B plus 2 times of L. Now take a 2 as a common, 2H into B plus L. This is called the lateral surface area of the cuboid in terms of again a square units. Square units. This is really helpful for the exams. So you can easily remember the formula. Now if you know these two formula, we can easily calculate for the surface area for the cube. Now let us see how to calculate the surface area of the cube. But in a cube, we know that here L equal to B equal to H. Is it correct? Because in a cube, all the sides are equal. Means all the parameters are equal. Now we know that the surface area of cuboid is 2 into BH plus HL plus L into B. Now here I told L equal to B equal to H. We can substitute here instead of B and H, L substitute. Means 2 into L into L, L into L plus L into L. Means 2 into 3 times of L square equal to 6 times of L square. Therefore, the surface area of the cube is 6 times of L square, or you can say that 6 times of square of the side, and that one also you should express in terms of the square units, and the unit also in terms of the square units. Now at last, how to calculate the lateral surface area of the cube? And we know that the lateral surface area of the cuboid is 2H into L plus B. In a cube, we know that L equal to B equal to H. Substitute now here. 2 L into L plus L equal to 2 L into 2L equal to 4L square, or equal to 4 into square of the side. Therefore, the lateral surface area of the cube equal to 4 into square of the side. Again, you should express in terms of the square units. Now you learn now four formula. Yes, once again I will recall the four formula. The four formula is, in that the first formula, the surface area of the cuboid equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now the lateral surface area of the cuboid equal to 2H into L plus B. Then surface area of cube equal to 6L square or 6 side square. And last, lateral surface area of cube equal to 4L square. 4L square. And all the area you should express in terms of a square units. This is the unit of the area. I hope you understood four formula and how to calculate the formula. This four formula is very important. You can solve any problems. I hope you understood this formula. If you have any doubt, put in your comments box. If you like this video, share the video, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and if you want my latest video, press the bell icon. Thank you.